In this video, we're going to discuss how to make personalized videos, in this case, an employee review example. Employee reviews often use a format called a 360-degree review, where they ask all the team members and managers how somebody is performing in the company. In this case, we've put together a video of walking through the office, and then we have showing on each of the boxes coming up in the screen what this person's percentages were for these questions. So how many people said Allison oversees my personal development? 78%. How many people say Allison encourages me to experiment and learn? 93%, and so on. So it shows what people are saying about this particular employee. So as it continues going around the office, it serves up each of the questions along with the percentages of people who responded positively to that question. And this video will be different for each employee and each staff member. So how did we do this? Well, we started with a very simple Excel spreadsheet. So the Excel spreadsheet simply has all of these questions and the percentages built right into it. So we have all the data in a simple Excel spreadsheet. Then we created the PowerPoint where we uploaded the video and then created text boxes to hold each of these questions and the percentages. To connect these boxes to the Excel spreadsheet, we used our DataPoint PowerPoint add-on. So we created a connection to the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, and then we created a query that would pull up the information from the spreadsheet so we can make sure it's going into the proper spots. We also used our snapshot command to be able to create a separate video for each person. So the snapshot command then created all of these different videos for each of the employees. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and you can find out more at PresentationPoint.com.